how you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today I'm cleaning my oven and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. Hey good people, in today's video I am going to be cleaning my oven. Now for those of y'all that been saying I'm cleaning an already clean house, here's your dirt. Okay, I absolutely cannot stand cleaning the oven, but as you can see it is filthy and needs to be taken care of. So here we go, let's get into it. I'm going to start by removing my oven rack shields. These things are wonderful, y'all. They are heat resistant and they protect you from being burned. So if you're interested, they can be purchased at Amazon. I am using Homeline Heavy Duty Oven Cleaner, which is the generic version of Easy Off. Okay, I love to save a coin. Does the same job. I'm setting my oven to 200 to preheat it before applying the cleaner, just so that it comes off easier and I can do it faster. I want to clean my oven within the next half an hour, so this is what you have to do. Now I should have removed my racks prior to preheating my oven, so in this case don't do as I do as I say. Guys, take them out beforehand. It's not really a big deal, but that's just the best practice. You can spray your cleaner in at night and then not heat the oven at all and clean it in the morning if you want to do it like that. I want to just get in there and get it done. Like I said, this is not something that I enjoy doing, so the sooner I can get it done the better. So that's what I'm doing. It's good to wear some gloves to protect your skin. Wear a mask if you can. That's what I did. You don't want to really inhale this mess. Open up the windows to get some ventilation going and shake the product prior to spraying it in the oven. That's just the best practices. My oven does have a self-cleaner, but over time that actually damages your oven. Even these harsh chemicals are not the best thing, but it is better than using a self-cleaner. So I just opt to go the old school way. It gets the job done and it doesn't take long. I left the cleaner in for about 15 to 20 minutes, but depending on how dirty your oven is, you know, you might want to let it sit a little longer, or you can let it sit a little less, because you can start cleaning it actually after it's sitting for at least 5 minutes after the oven is heated. Don't heat the temperature higher than 200 though when using this this chemical in it. I am using a microfiber cloth and hot water to wipe up the product as well as the dirt. You want to make sure you repeat this step several times until you get everything out. The oven and the stove are one of those appliances, guys, that no matter how good you clean it, you may not be able to get everything up, just depending on how dirty it is, how often you clean it on a regular basis. You know, the longer you let those food particles and soil, whatever, sit in it, the harder it is to get up. So, you know, you might got to put a little elbow into it. Now, I like to double back and use the SOS pad. That is like my best friend for so many different things. But to get those hard, stubborn stains up, I take a SOS pad, scrub it like you see me doing here. Take a warm or a hot rag, wipe it off, and it does the job. Now, I do clean my oven kind of frequently, and so I don't usually have too tough of a time getting it up. But if you get in the habit and the practice of making sure you kind of like maintain it, then it's a lot easier. I am using my SOS pad as well for the burnt orange stains, and then I'll use a dish rag with dish liquid to wipe it off. Welcome to the family, to my new subbies. I saw y'all last week. Thank you so much for subscribing. Y'all swear I can sing. I know I can. I know y'all get tired of it, but that's just what I do. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by on the 4th of July. Well, it's the 4th of July today. You may not be watching on the 4th of July, but there's a little firecracker in the background for you. Consider coming back again and subscribing. To my distinctive family, y'all already know I love y'all forever and a whole lot. Thank you so much for your continued support. I appreciate each and every one of you. On to the crumb catcher. Don't forget this part, guys. That's what I call it, because it just seems like it catches all types of crumbs. I don't even know how half the stuff gets in there. I'm using this Dawn dish soap for my cooktop. It's an excellent degreaser, so I'll go over this first, and then I use another product that I'll show you in a minute. now I am using the Wyman glass cooktop cleaner and polish. I use this after using the dish liquid degreaser. Listen, if you guys have this cooktop in your home, you know personally how difficult it is to keep this clean and stain free, especially after cooking. I have used several different products, you know, just trying to find the best thing, and this by far works the best to me. If you guys know of anything that does 100% of the job, please leave me a comment and let me know. This gets me about 90% of the way. So, you know, this is my go-to for now. And like I said, it is a good product. You can purchase it, I believe, like Walmart or Amazon. Most stores probably carry it. Again, it's the Wyman glass cooktop. As a final go-to, I am using some olive oil for the stainless steel part of my stove and my oven. Y'all, this stuff works wonders, like removing fingerprints and just giving it that extra shine at the end. I have not found anything as good as this. This is, you know, one of my little hacks or tricks that I use. I use it on all of my stainless steel appliances, and you know, it's better than buying over-the-counter products. We have come to the conclusion of this video. I hope you all have enjoyed hanging out with me today. You have made cleaning my oven a little less painful. Be sure to like, share, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you have not already done so. If you need to clean your oven, I hope this video was motivational for you. Until next time, ciao.